Android Studio provides the fastest tools for building apps on every type of Android device. How to download and install Android Studio on Windows 10. System requirements: random access memory, RAM, minimum 4 GB RAM, and 8 GB RAM recommended. Operating system version Microsoft Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. Redisk space minimum 2 GB and 4 GB recommended. Download and install Android Studio. Step 1. To download the Android Studio, visit the official Android Studio website in your web browser. Step 2. Click on the Download Android Studio option. Step 3. Double-click on the downloaded Android Studio-i.exe file. Step 4. Android Studio Setup will appear on the screen and click Next to proceed. Step 7. Choose a Start menu folder for the Android Studio shortcut and click the Install button to proceed. Step 8. After the successful completion of the installation, click on the Next button. Step 9. Click on the Finish button to proceed. Now, your Android Studio welcome screen will appear on the screen. Android Studio Setup Configuration. Step 10. Android Studio Setup Wizard will appear on the screen with the Welcome Wizard. Click on the Next button. Step 11. Select Check the standard option if you are a beginner. Step 12. Now, select the user interface theme as you want. I prefer dark theme, Dracula, that is most liked by the coders. Then, click on the Next button. Step 13. Now, click on the Finish button to download all the SDK components. And, the downloading and installation process of components gets started. After downloading all the necessary components, click on the Finish button. Congrats! Your Android Studio has been successfully installed in your system, and you can start a new Android Studio project. By following the above steps, you can download and install Android Studio in Windows 10.